In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to recover your Facebook deleted messages, photos, videos, comments, and posts. So in order to recover your information, you have to first of all update your application and then log in into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, that's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page you need to tap on the gear icon or the try bar icon from the top right hand side corner, and on this page you need to scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Once again, tap the settings and privacy button, and right on this page you need to scroll down right to the bottom. You need to go to the section that says your information. Under this information you need to go ahead and tap on download your information. So basically you need to go ahead and click on the continue button to proceed on to the next step, and after you're done with that you need to go ahead and select download or transfer. If you have a multiple account, then you just need to select the particular account or unmark the account that you actually don't need it and tap the next button. Now you can choose between this, that is either you need a specific type, so go ahead and select the specific type, and accordingly you can select what sort of information that you need: messages, posts, then Facebook portal, Facebook profile information, all that, and click the next button. Now then, to begin with that, you need to go and select the device where you actually want to download the following data. So select the device and click the next button, and then you'll be able to see all of these. Tap the save button, and you also need to notify. For that you need to add a new email address so that it could be added. Click on create file located right at the bottom. As you've done that, you'll be notified with the statement after a couple of hours that your data has been recovered, and in order to access it you have to provide in the password, and that's how you can recover your Facebook deleted data. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.